Experts say that gua sha or jade rollers can tighten, brighten, and depuff our skin, even reducing wrinkles. So today we're going to be discussing just why that is, and also go through a step-by-step tutorial so you can rejuvenate your skin naturally, quickly, and easily from the comfort of your own home, also giving yourself the TLC you deserve. Facial rollers have actually been around for a really long time. In fact, from the 1700s, where Chinese royalty used these in their beauty routines. They work by stimulating facial meridians, which are energy channels that go throughout our bodies. And by doing that, it detoxifies the area and also increases that lymph flow, which helps with any kind of puffiness. This increased lymph and blood flow will also really help get that radiant, dewy glow that we're all looking for. And believe it or not, any kind of facial massage can have significant anti-aging effects. In fact, there was a study done on a group of individuals who just used anti-aging products and another group who used the anti-aging products along with some kind of facial massage. Now, the group who used the facial massage along with the products had significantly better results in terms of wrinkles and skin sagging. There's many different types of rollers to choose from. There's jade, there's rose quartz, there's amethyst. And for those of you who are into crystals, you'll know that every crystal carries its own energy. So choose one that really resonates with you. And you'll want to include this into your daily skincare routine. So either mornings or evenings. Now, mornings are quite good because it helps with puffiness. And make sure you are consistent because consistency here is key. So try to do this at least 5 times a week. But let's jump straight in. You'll start out by sanitizing your roller, and this is something you'll want to do every time to make sure that you don't get any kind of infections or acne breakouts. You then move on to apply your serum. Now this can be anything from a hyaluronic acid serum to a peptide serum, vitamin C serum, or maybe all of them. Facial oils are also great. And then you'll start the treatment. Now, you'll do this by rolling upwards for 10 times for every movement. And you start by working your way slowly across the neck area, which will open up those lymph nodes. You'll then move on to your facial area, starting from the chin, again moving with upward strokes, upward across your face for 10 times for each area. Now the pressure should be firm but comfortable. When you get to the eye area, turn the tool around so that you use a small part to access the area better. And you'll do the same thing on your eyebrows. Turning your tool around again when you get to the forehead. We carry a lot of tension in the middle of our forehead. So we'll finish this by also doing some movements right in that area to release that tension. And the same goes for our jaw area where we also carry that tension. And voila! And then we'll do exactly the same on the other side. You now have a fantastic tool for skin rejuvenation. But if you really want to maximize your skin quality and tightness, this will require a holistic approach. And for this, I would recommend you next watch my video on how to tighten your skin naturally. And if you haven't already, remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon for weekly tips on well-being and beauty.